Hi, this is Heather from Weifang ZY Packaging Printing. Some customers usually ask us some questions about the paper packaging, so today we will give you some answers for your reference. How long will it take for my box to be ready? Depending on the complexity of the box, there may be different times, but we will give you an approach time according to the schedule of our factory. Can I choose the transportation mode? Of course, no matter by land, sea or air, according to your requirements, we will choose a good and cheap transport company to shipping to your destiny as soon as possible. Can you deliver the goods to my shop? Yes, we provide door-to-door service. Don't worry, we will safely deliver the goods to the place you assigned. Thanks for watching. We will answer more questions about paper packaging in the next video. Follow us, give us a like, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!